Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Now we have the Q5 Pro, Realme Q5 Pro, the Q series smartphone from Realme. It's I think it's the most cost-effective series from Realme. And today we will have a very quick and very simple unboxing video, the review video about this model. And first about the box, check the box. And compared to the X series and the GT Neo series, the Q series they have very different design language on this box. It's very simple. They just put the model here, model name, and the logo, the brand name here, and the white. Most of the parts, the box is white, and here they use the VIR color, yellow, and it's very simple. And so this is very simple box design. And in the front of the box is it's not flat, some lines here, and when you touch it you can feel it's not flat. And also today we got the 8GB RAM plus 256 RAM edition. It's a yellow color, and the back cover is very special. So now let's unbox this model and check what's inside the box. Okay, so next, okay, after we open the box we find another small package. Okay, let's check what's inside this package. Okay, here. Okay, so after we open it we get a bit gray, not totally transparent, soft case. Okay, a soft case. And here we got this is the warranty card, and this is the quick start instructions. Also the pin. Okay, so this is the stuff in this side, this small package. And after we unbox this and under this one we got the smartphone. And before we check the smartphone, let's check what's under this smartphone. So here we have a charger. It's a 80-watt charger, super fast charger, 80-watt charger. And here also we get type C. Yes, it's a type C cable. Yes, type C cable. Okay, so this is all the stuff inside this box. No earphone. Okay, very simple. Okay, let's put this stuff aside and check the smartphone. So the smartphone was protected by a very soft plastic bag. And okay, first about appearance, and then we will check the more details on this smartphone, like screen, processor, and the battery, camera. So first let's go to the appearance. I will say it's a unique design it's unique design. The first time I saw it, this is the first time I saw it. I just will say it's use a very different and unique design language on this model. And you can see the back cover has some special diamonds, like here also like a chessboard design. You can check the different angles. You can find the diamonds here. So it's different than the other models, also different than the other brand. It's fashion design, very fashion design. Also the yellow one combined with the black, the screen and the frame all black, the pen printed all black. So also this one, the camera part is also pure black, so makes it. So from my point of view, personally, I really like the combination of the black frame and black camera zone, and with the yellow cover. So I really like the design. It's really looks so unique and beautiful. So after we check the appearance, we go to the more details. First from the screen. Yes, this time they have a 6.62-inch screen, and this AMOLED E4 screen. It supports 120 Hz refresh rate. Also, is support on-screen fingerprint. I would say this is the best screen that the ever best screen the Q series has, and also the display, the resolution is 2400 and 080, so it's best screen that they ever used in the Q series. Also it's a Corning Glorical 5 generation glass looks so unique. And also the next is about the processor. This time they use Snapdragon 870 processor. It supports dual 5G, and it has the UFS 3.2, 3.1, and LPDDR5. So most of the the flagship specifications, this one also has. When you worry about the performance of the processor, is powerful processor. Also, the battery is 5,000 battery with 80-watt charger. Normally in 30 minutes you can charge it from 0% to 100%. Yeah, so next is about the camera parts. This time they provide a very decent power solution. On this model, the 1, 2, 3, the triple rear camera and one front camera. So from the real triple camera, the main camera is 64 megapixel, and the wide angle is 8 megapixel. Also, they have a 2 megapixel macro lens. The front one is 60 megapixel. So this time they also provide a very decent camera system for you. Consider it is a cost-effective series. I think this camera solution is also good for the customers. The other things I have to mention is that this time they also have a dual stereo speaker system on this. Also, it have the X-axis moto. Also, they have a new cooling system on this model. So if you want to play some games not so big, it can also provide you a very good gaming experience on this smartphone. So this is about the main introduction of this model. This is the Pro one, so I will say it's the most high spec one. They also have a Q5, the low specification one. The specification is low, like the charger is just 60 watt, and also the processor is also different. This one they use the Snapdragon SD870, but the Q5, the basic version, is just Snapdragon 695. So, but both of them have 120 Hz refresh rate. So this is very cool of this device. So this is the main introduction of this model. I will say is one of the best cost-effective one in the middle or low end market. If you like it, you can check it and find more details on their website. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you want to get more videos from here, let's stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.